How to replace a starter pull on the Weedeater blower. Weedeater gasoline-powered leaf blowers use a rope pull start, or recoil starter, to start the engine. Dry weather, dampness and age can impact your pull rope negatively and it can break. If this happens, you will be left without a way to start your blower until you install a new recoil starter. Recoil starter installation is a fairly easy process and should take you only about 30 to 45 minutes. Things you'll need: screwdriver. Loosen the screws that mount the recoil starter case in place and remove the casing. Use a screwdriver to take out the starter pulley. Unwind the old cord from the starter pulley, untie it and then throw it away. Attach the new cord to the center tab on the starter pulley and wind it up about halfway. Once this is done, insert the starter pulley back into the recoil starter cover and slip the other end of the starter rope through the hole on the cover. Slip the cord through the rubber handle, tie it and pull the cord tightly into the handle. Use your hand to rotate the starter pulley counterclockwise. Do this until you feel the spring's tension get tight. Rotate the pulley one full turn clockwise after you feel the spring grow taut. Attach the starter cover to the blower and secure it with the retaining screw.